for the publishers watching, we really have we have two types of people watching right now. Probably should have said this in the beginning, but we have people who are they're brand new, they're just starting, right? They're like, should I do this KDP thing? Is it too saturated? Is it hard? Do I have to be super intelligent? And then we have people who they're more experienced. They're at 1 or 2 grand on KDP. They're really looking at scaling it. They've heard of TikTok. Can you give both of those some advice on which paths they should be following and what they should be focused on right now?
Yeah, I think the people that are just starting out, just thinking about KDP, I think that
Mhm.
they should just do that. To be honest with you, I don't really think that they should. I think that they should have TikTok as sort of an end goal potentially, but I think
Mhm.
that those people should just really learn how to create high quality books on high in demand keywords and just learn how to do that process. That's truly what I think. I think that any person who's making 1 to 2K per month in royalties, breaking
Mhm.
even or slightly profitable, and they have a book that either has less than a 50K BSR or other books on that keyword that have that the high demand and their book is selling. I think that the easiest way to sort of leapfrog your competition is to get really good at TikTok, because there's already proven demand for your book. You've already created something that can sell. Now you just have to show the book to more people. That's how I think about it.